Welcome to BizFlow Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to cover marketing campaigns and newsletters and how to send them out to your targeted audience. Campaigns and newsletters are created similarly and require the same setup, but the only difference is how you decide to title it or send them out. Starting from the dashboard, head over to the options on the left and hover over the Marketing tab. From here, click on Campaigns from the dropdown. It is suggested that you use the new Campaigns tab rather than the Newsletters tab because it is an older version of sending out email marketing campaigns in BizFlow. In order to create a new campaign or newsletter, click on the Add Campaign button, and from here, fill out the name of your campaign. For example, let's say you want to name this campaign Summer Update About Fitness Plus. Once typing that in, new fields will appear, and you can select a theme template. As well, you can choose templates from existing campaigns under the Campaigns tab. And lastly, you can create your own template from scratch. Here you can choose to create a campaign with an email builder, or you can paste an HTML code to create it. I recommend using one of the templates provided under the tab Themes. Here you can choose a template such as Template 1, and you simply have to fill out information regarding the topic of your campaign. At the top, you can still edit the name of your campaign by clicking on the small green edit icon beside it. Next, start by filling out the subject, such as Fitness Plus Summer Camp Update. Then save this information. Next, fill out who this campaign is from, such as your business name. For the email address field information, make sure not to put your business's email, or else this campaign will most likely end up in the customer's spam. You can choose to add an underscore, then your business's name, such as _fitness plus, but it should always end in bizflow.com. And you can even remove the no reply text if you'd like. At the end of this video, I will show you how to edit the configuration defaults for this information. Below, you can choose to input an email, which will email you a copy of the campaign that was sent out. On to the most important part. Below, you can edit the content of the campaign by clicking on this button. In this pop-up, on the lower left-hand corner, you can click on this icon, which will show you the different templates you can choose from if you would like to change it. You can edit any information on your campaign by clicking on the fields and changing them. Each section is divided, so you can only edit one at a time. There are 4 buttons that appear. The first one, when clicked on, displays the HTML code for this section of text. The second allows you to create a duplicate of this text field right below. The third allows you to delete the particular section, and the fourth allows you to move the selected field of text around. To change an image, simply click on that image, and from the options above, click on the landscape icon. Here, you can choose from your existing images and hit OK. If you would like to change the background color of a field of text, simply click on the edge of that field, and when a pop-up appears on the side, you can choose to edit the background color from the color palette given. When changing the size of padding, it adjusts the size of the margins on all sides. To adjust the width of the campaign under Email Width, you can change that value here. In addition, on this panel located to the left, there are more elements you can choose from to edit the layout of this campaign. Typography allows you to edit the text and types of text, such as lists. Under Media, you can choose to add images or videos. Under Layout, you can add additional dividers. You can add buttons to this campaign, in which you can add a hyperlink to. Social allows you to add additional links as well. Under Footer, you can add your business's logo by dragging the address with logo option onto the campaign. And lastly, to completely start over and remove everything on this template, you can click on Blank Page. Once you are done editing this campaign, save and close to continue. Next, you will choose who you are sending this campaign to by clicking on Add Recipients. Select if it is for all customers or if it is for all customers and their family members. Next, you can create your own criteria. When selecting this, you can select what type of customers you want to send this campaign to, whether it be for active, inactive, or prospect customers, and so on. Make sure to apply the criteria when selecting it. When adding additional criteria, you will see the number in the top right-hand corner change, indicating the number of recipients you will be emailing this campaign to. To delete any criteria, simply click on the trash icon located next to it under the Criteria Chosen section. When clicking on Custom, you can add specific customers by typing their name in the search box and selecting them. When you are done adding all recipients, save this information. Now you can add a schedule for the delivery of this campaign when clicking on Add Schedule. First, you can choose to send this campaign only once. If so, you can select if you want it to be sent out today or on a specific date, and make sure you update the time you want it to be sent out. If not, you can schedule a recurring delivery schedule. Here you must say how often the recipient list is updated, and you must indicate the starting and end date, or if there is no end date. Lastly, edit the frequency of how often this campaign is sent out. Now that you are done with this campaign, you can click on the Save and Send button. Once you have sent out the campaign, in the list of all your sent campaigns, you can track the statistics of certain ones by clicking on the yellow flag located to the right of it. Here you can also choose to unsubscribe from the bounced or dropped emails. Going back to the campaign screen, you can choose to edit any information by clicking on the blue edit icon. You can choose to copy the link of this campaign by clicking on the green link icon, and you can delete this campaign by clicking on the red trash icon. As mentioned before, I'm going to show you how to edit the configuration defaults for campaign screens. Head over to the options on the left and hover over the Configuration tab. From here, click on Notifications from the drop-down. Then, click on Notification Management, and under Default Sender Info, you can edit the name of who the emails are from, which will be your business. Then you can also edit the default email. The reply to email can be your own, which will be the email your customers will reply to. This completes a tutorial on how to manage marketing campaigns and newsletters in BizFlow. Thank you for watching.